Hi folks, this is Glue Sniff Garage. Today's video we've got the Kent Models Mystery Car Model Box. This is on Kent Models website. You can buy a mystery box with an unknown kit inside. So I thought I'd give one a wee chance, see what we get inside. So let's get the box open and we'll take a closer look. The Kent Models boxes always come with like logo and stuff on it. This has literally just arrived, so I haven't had the chance to even open it yet. So I'll just cut this box open. Okay, so we've got the box open now, and let's see what's inside. Fujimi Honda Civic Type R EP3. That's pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. Quite lucky I was actually looking at this kit. So yeah, got lucky with this one. So let's take a wee look inside the box and do a little unboxing. So your colours there. So add this to my Honda collection. Awesome. Let's take the box up. If you give me a wee second, I'll just open up the bags and we'll get a wee look at the sprues. Okay, so we've got everything out the bags now. I'll just show you what's actually in the Kent Models box. You get a lot of stuff like stickers and things, so got some leaflets there sort of about Mr. Hobby paints, more Mr. Hobby accessories, airbrushes, some new ranges. Just get a sticker and a Mr. Hobby paint sheet and some of the Kent Models paper, which is good for if you're spray painting or anything. It's good for making sure you don't spray where you're not supposed to. So first of all, here's the decals. Nothing major with the decals, just your standard kind of Type R decals. You get the red Honda badges there to show that it's a Type R. Just decals for your centre caps on the wheels. Two different dials. Caro seats there as well. And your Japanese license plate and your Civic Type R license plates. And I've got a bag with some tyres in it, polycaps. Right, first sprue here. We've got the chassis, couple of window wipers, steering rack. Guessing those are for fitting the wheels, number plates. Very detailed chassis. Bottom of your engine there, gearbox. I think this is the most detailed Fujimi chassis that I've seen. It does seem to have like almost like a texture to it in some places. I don't know if that's on purpose or if it's just a moulding issue, but yeah, it looks really nice. Maybe a bit tricky to paint in some places, but it's quite a nicely moulded chassis. Next up we have got suspension pieces. You've got your front and rear suspension pieces there. Looks like your control arms, your springs and wheel hubs, brake discs, next up we've got front and rear bumper. Grill's very plain looking. I suppose if you really want to go to town in that, you could cut that out and use some mesh. Dashboard there. Your mirrors. Exhaust tip. And I don't know what this other part is. Doesn't look wide enough to be a spoiler, but I'll find out soon enough. And you get your interior tub here. Pretty basic, there's not a lot in the door cards or anything. Seats look nice, but it's always a bit disappointing when you get a tub like that and there's no separate door cards, but it's not too bad. And we have a couple of Recaro seats, spoiler, your steering wheel and steering column, rear wiper, aerial, handbrake and gear lever. Got a couple of side skirts and your exhaust. And you've got the EP3 Type R wheels. Everything's moulded in white in this kit. And last but not least, we have the clear parts. Keep these in the bag so they don't get scratched. So your main windscreen glass, your rear quarter glass and your rear windshield, and your headlights and tail lights there. Here we have the body shell. No real mould lines to report. Tiny bit in the roof there, you can see the two sides meet up with two different types of plastic. Little bit in the back bumper there. That's about it. Along the bottom of the windscreen. The back pillars there. There doesn't appear to be anything on the front, it seems to be hidden in the headlights there. Yeah, really nice body. And last but not least, you've got your instructions there. Not a lot to these instructions, it's quite a simple kit, but So that's it, that's everything that was in the box. So yeah, got really lucky with this one, turned out to be quite a good kit. Obviously you're taking a gamble when you buy something like that, the mystery box, you don't know what you're going to get, but I think I've lucked out this time, so I'd recommend giving it a shot if you want something. They're quite cheap, they're a lot cheaper than the other kits on their site, so if you're happy with taking a gamble and you're not too fussed about what you're going to build, it's definitely worth taking a shot. You never know, you might get a Civic Type R, you could get something else just as cool. But yeah, give it a shot. Thanks for watching the video. If you like my videos, I've got plenty of other unboxing ones to check out, and any likes and subscribes, any comments are all appreciated, and thanks for watching the video. We'll see you in the next one. Cheers, bye.